Welcome back everyone, my name is Lee from Lily's Kitchen. Today we're going to turn this cream into home cultured sour cream. So I've had my bottle of cream in the freezer for a few months now and I want to get used up. So it's still good for cooking, not really for desserts or anything like that. So I've decided I'm going to make some home cultured sour cream. And the benefits is that you get all that live active bacteria in your sour cream that you're not going to get in the supermarkets. So for this recipe you're going to need some cream. So I've just got 600ml bottle of just thickened cream here. Then also you're going to need a live active culture. So I don't have any sour cream left with a active culture in it, but I do have some homemade yogurt. So I'm going to use that. So for every 2 cups of cream, you're going to need a 1/4 cup of your live active yogurt. Alright, so firstly, I've already poured hot water into my yogurt maker and sterilised it. So that's all good now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pour my cream into the container. Now you can see it's a little bit lumpy, and that's because this thickened cream has gelatin in it, but I'm sure it won't make a difference. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually put this into the microwave. I'm just going to bring this up to about room temperature and then we'll stir in the yogurt. So I've just microwaved this at 30-second intervals, so it's just barely warm. You don't want it too hot or else it's going to kill the live cultures. And if you do microwave it and it does separate a little bit, just give it a good old stir. It'll all come back together completely fine. So now I'm going to add a 1/4 cup of yogurt that has live active cultures in it. And then all we're going to do is we're going to give that a really good stir and make sure all that is just stirred in. This is a lot of sour cream, so I have to find some recipes for it. Get the lid on. So today I'm using my yogurt maker to ferment this, but if you don't have a yogurt maker, what you can do is you can just put it into a mason jar and then you can just wrap it up in a tea towel and either leave it in the oven with the light on or just in a warm spot overnight. It should be more than fine. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to fill up my yogurt maker with some hot water. I'm just going to use tap water for this. Usually use boiling water. I'm going to use tap water up to the top line here. And then we're going to set it aside for 24 hours and we'll see how it is tomorrow. So it's been about 2 days now. You know, life happens. So what I've done is after we fermented the sour cream for 24 hours, I've poured it into another container. I've put it into the fridge and let that set. Now when you pour it into the container to put into the fridge, it does look a lot liquidier and everything, but this is thickened up so much now. As you can see, it's thickened up so much. So let's give it a go. We've just made a really good sour cream from cream that we would have either thrown out or we just left in the fridge. So if you like this video, don't forget to give it a good old like. If you want to see more, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.